Guys, educational tutorial how to clean Airless sprayer. In our case it's a Magnum Pro X17. They're very similar. Don't forget to get your gloves. Of course, glasses, protection glasses, it's very important because anything can go wrong. Now, because in our system we have this paint, now we need to get it back. Usually you need probably around 3 buckets of clean water. So now we are getting all the paint back into the pot. Now we are just getting into the clean water. That's it. Okay guys, now we are putting paint from a system back to the can. So now what we'll do, we'll just put it into the priming mode. And then through the gun. So we're getting all the paint from the system back to the can. Now that's it, we can see that it's a water already. So we are now start our process of cleaning. So that's the clean water going through the... Always have few rags around you. You can take tip out. It says prime clean. And now we just need to wash until we see clean water coming out from a gun. Very simple. It probably will take us 3 buckets to clean. You can switch between priming and spraying, or you can use both. In some cases you can use this connector to connect to your garden hose, but in our case we're just using a bucket. Water is still milky. Until we see 100% clean water, we need to clean it. Sometimes you have the gun under the pressure. If I'll press now, the water will spill. So what you need to do, you need to get into the priming mode. And then press the trigger and switch it again. Guys, water is very clean. See, it's not milky anymore. That's it, that's enough. You can put into the priming mode. 100% clean as well. That's it. Now, very important procedure. Now we need to put pump ammo into the system. We have this one, so we will leave this for a while because we're not going to use this pump ammo. But very important point, this pump you can lubricate, and if you can probably go a little bit closer. It doesn't come together, but you can buy from PaintAccess or any other retailers. You need to put a couple of drops into this piston, just a couple of drops of oil. That's enough. That's it. So we've lubricated. Now we're going to put ammo inside into the system. You can unscrew this filter. You can just submerge this hose. Now we're going to get into the priming mode and put a bit of a pressure. And until we'll see this blue water coming out, that's it. That means that pump ammo gets into the pump, and it's ready, like it's gonna be preserving seals. Pressure down. That's it. So now we can see clearly that pump ammo gets into the system. That's enough. In this Pro X17 we have only one filter, which is in a gun. So how to get there? You need to disconnect this trigger and just really unscrew. So in some cases you just need Make sure that you don't have a pressure and it's turned off. The actual sprayer. That's it. Filter just here. As we've used just once, it's pretty clean. It has one dot, so it's a really good sign. The paint is high quality. That's it. Now you just get, you can obviously wipe everything, and previously we already washed the tip, so it's all clean inside. Wipe everything, and it's ready for storage. If any questions, contact myself, Harriet, or PaintAccess. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.